Go.
Okay, so I'm just going to put, I haven't lined this at all because I just like to scoop it out. Just going to put a little bit in there, like that, just to coat the bottom. It's quite thick, the bottom layer. Then some chocolate sprinkles, like that, and then we're going to put those, probably about, I reckon you need 10 in there, right? Let's start with 10. Just chuck them in. No, just chuck 10. Chuck 10 in.
Oh, okay. In
Yeah,
right.
in there,
Okay,
yeah.
gotcha.
Okay. Now you want to be quick on this because all of a sudden
it's
they
so
get
quick.
too soaked.
I'll change real quick.
Okay. Over there. Drain off a little bit of liquid. Squash them right in. See, there's quite a bit of moisture in there. If they get too thick, I'm not too worried. Another layer. Not too thick. I don't mind if you can just see the biscuits. Just like that. And then I'll do a layer of chocolate sprinkles, just here. And then we'll do another layer just like that. Biscuits. Just like that. You want to get a little bit of soak on them. So they're a bit soft, they can't be too crunchy. If they're too crunchy, they won't, the dessert will be dry. Yep. Yep, so those ones there are good. Yeah, they're good, those ones. And we'll do another layer of mascarpone. And then
Another layer of chocolate.
so not too much of that, and then we do repeat in this one. A little bit more on the top. A little bit more mascarpone this time.
A little bit more.
Yeah,
Oh, is this the final layer?
This is the final
Oh,
layer.
okay, gotcha.
Just like that. Perfect. And then uncovered in the fridge to let it set. We'll add it tomorrow. And then the chocolate sprinkles.
Cool. Chocolate.
Pretty easy dessert. I'll really cover it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
And I like that you don't even have to cook it, which is the best part.